Right, you guys, so spontaneously we didn't plan on visiting inside this church, but we are now going on a tour inside and I'm excited about it. Tyler is excited because he loves history, he's obsessed with history. So we're excited that we're gonna get to go inside. We're going on a tour. It will be 45 minutes. Look, ready, she's ready, she's ready, she's ready. Through this church is the more my heart just feels overwhelmed with gratitude, and I feel like I'm just gonna burst into tears. I can't explain the feeling inside this church. I really can't explain the feeling inside this church. The experience is unexplainable, absolutely beautiful. Look at that organ upstairs. It's our tour guide right there. We're gonna do prayer and offerings. This one. Drop it and take up a candle. Take up a candle. Honey, come over here. Put your candle here and take up one other stick. Yes, follow Papa. Look what Papa doing. Put it on the fire, Sarah. Light it. Take it up. Very good, Sarah. Light your candle now. Tyler, take up yours. It's lit. It didn't light? Put it back. Put it back, Sarah.
A little bit.
Wait, Ty. Hold it down. Tyler, hold it down. Okay, Sarah. Put it on your candle. Put it on your candle, Ty. Let it stay right there. Very good. Tyler, you put it here. Sarah, no more. Finish. You say your prayer. Say your prayer. Close your eyes. Say your prayer. Very.
Mama, that is what my candle.
architecture. Look at that. That's just magnifique. Like the details in each stone, the details of each piece. It's just, my gosh. Wow. Look over there. Swat. What is it, princess?
Just take you, Papa.
You want to do a photo with me, Papa and Tyler? Okay, we're gonna do a photo. Princess want to do a photo. Princess want to do a photo with all of us. Oh, be careful.
But I didn't expect it to be that.
Stand right where you are. Sarah, don't do that, please. Don't let me see it. Tyler, come. Walk. Honey, stop. There's someone behind you. Of course, you can't be in Italy and don't have ice cream. It's not possible. It doesn't matter what time of year. Ice cream time for the fam bam. The lemon. She's having the lemon. The little, yes.
Only lemon?
Yes, please.
So no chocolate?
No, she changed her mind. Sarah, your own is coming. Sarah, look. Look.
Thank you.
Say. Oh, she's so short. And for him, which one you having? Lemon, the same thing. Look. And for me, the sweet pistachio, please. Sweet pistachio. That's it. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Okay, this one is a panna cotta.
You like it. You like it.
The sweet pistachio.
The pistachio is so good. Oh my god. You're allergic, stay far. This is so good. Oops, pardon, sorry. Come, Sarah. Come. That's okay. So we made it to the evening and it's dinner time. And what we're having here, Melly's having white wine, sweet wine, never fail. David's having his favorite spritz. Spritz been trending for the past 2 years and he loved that. Tel and Sarah is having coca. See me? Extra sweet. A little less sweet. Okay.
Sweet wine. This is not from us. It's a city that is between Rome and Milan.
Thank you, Tyler. You turn vlogger like your mama. Alright, that's Tyler's pizza.
In the cups also.
Tyler eating like big boy.
Like a big champion, and that's Papa's pizza. No, I have to take a photo. Sarah is having. You can go ahead. Thank you. Sarah's having pasta and ham, and I'm having rice, risotto. There's the kids' spontaneous in the pasta. Very, very good.
You good?
So good. The pizza? No, cut that pizza in half. Boys are killing their pizza. Oh, and that's a wrap on another amazing day in Milan. We had the best time. I just took off my makeup and it felt good. I am so full. I look like a white woman. I am so full. You guys, I ate so much food. But I guess when you're on vacation, that's what you do, right? And we had an amazing walk around the area that the hotel is to look at all the other stores and restaurants and just enjoy the old trams going along. The tram line is just beautiful. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Everybody's somewhere, so I won't even bother to show you guys. Baby's in the living room, Sarah is in the bed, Tyler is in the shower. So I'm just signing out right here. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam. Catch up and keep up, and come back another day to catch us again in Milan with having more fun and freezing many more memories. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, subscribe if you're new to fam, and I will see you guys. Bye.